Greeting dear children. Let us continue with the exercise 8.1. We have done up to now question number 1 and 2. Now we are on the practical application questions of percentages. See how to do these questions. Question number 3 is 72% of 25 students are good in mathematics. The total students given are 25. Percentage of students good in mathematics is 75%, and we have to find how many are not good in mathematics. So there are two methods. Either first I may find the number of students who are good in mathematics, and out of total those students will be subtracted and I will get the students who are not good in mathematics. And the other way is कि 75% students are good in mathematics, then how many students are not good in mathematics? Percent means out of 100. 75 students out of 100 are good in maths. तो 75 out of 100. ठीक है ना? तो percentage of students who are not good in maths are, how to calculate that? Out of 100, 75 are good. So out of 100, how many are not good? 100 minus 75%. 100 minus 75% means 25%. So I know out of 100, there are 25 students who are not good. So number of students who are not good in maths. How to get them? कि total students are 25. इस 25 में से 25% वो students हैं जो good नहीं हैं. तो 25% of total. ये बात आपको समझ आई? कैसे लिख रही हूँ मैं 25% ऑफ टोटल? एक बार इस चीज को फिर से सुनिए कि अगर टोटल स्टूडेंट्स 25 थे और ये कह रखा था 75% स्टूडेंट्स आर गुड इन मैथमेटिक्स. अगर 75% स्टूडेंट्स 75% माना 100 में से 75 गुड हैं मैथमेटिक्स में, तो कितने गुड नहीं है? अगर 100 में से 75 अच्छे हैं पढ़ाई में, तो कौन से अच्छे नहीं है? 100 में से 75 को माइनस कर दो तो आ गया 25. 100 में से 25 स्टूडेंट अच्छे नहीं है, इसका मतलब 25% स्टूडेंट्स गुड नहीं है मैथमेटिक्स में. तो नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु आर नॉट गुड इन मैथमेटिक्स विल बी 25% ऑफ द टोटल. तो 25 इस परसेंट को हटाते हैं तो परसेंट. जब परसेंट लगाना होता है तो 100 से मल्टीप्लाई, जब परसेंट के साइन को हटाना होता है तो पर मीन्स अपॉन, सेंट मीन्स 100. ऑफ का मतलब मल्टीप्लाई. टोटल स्टूडेंट्स ढूंढो कितने हैं? 25. अब कैंसिलेशन देखिए 25 4. तो ये हमारे पास कितने स्टूडेंट आ गए? नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु आर नॉट गुड इन मैथमेटिक्स ये फाइंड करने थे ना हमें. Sorry, it's my mistake. There are 72%. This is the major mistake which we commit. There can be wrong noting. So 28% of 25. Now there is a cancellation possible. 4 sevens the 25. So there are 7 students out of 25 who are not good in mathematics. Or same question could be done in that way also. कि total students are 25. Percentage of good students, percentage of students good in maths 72%. Number of students who are good in maths 72% of 25. 72% means out of 100 25. मैं अभी number of students who are good in mathematics I am calculating. To 25, 4 is the 100, 4 1 is the 4, 4 8 is the. So 18 students are good in mathematics. Good in maths 18. So not good in maths 18. Number of students not good in maths. What will be that? Total minus good students. Total is 25 and good in mathematics are 18. 25 minus 18 is again 7 students. So either you can choose this method or you can choose this method. Have you understood this question? Now let us come on the other question. Question number 4. A football team won 10 matches out of total matches. I hope you are noting all the questions side by side also. So any doubt you can ask us personally. So question number 4 is, a football team won 10 matches out of the total matches they played. If their win percentage is 40, how many matches did they play at all? Whatever we have to find, this time we have to find total matches were as much were played by the team. Let total matches be X. Whatever we have to find, we give it some unknown quantity as a variable. Let total matches played are X. What is given here? How many what percentage of matches were won by the players? 40%. Percentage won matches 40%. Number of won matches, कितने मैचेस जीत लिए? 10 मैचेस. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? अब जरा इसको देखो. टोटल मैचेस X हुए थे जिसमें से 40% जीते और वो मैचेस हैं 10. इसका मतलब 40% टोटल का 40% ऑफ टोटल मैचेस इज 10. ये बात आपको समझ आई? कैसे कहा मैंने? ये दे रखा था, एक टीम ने टोटल कुछ मैचेस खेले और उसमें उनके जीतने की परसेंटेज 40% है एंड दे हैव वन इन ऑल 10 मैचेस. इट मीन्स अगर टोटल उन्होंने x मैचेस खेले थे तो 40% ऑफ x कॉरेस्पॉन्ड टू 10. तो 40% sign will be removed and it will be out of 100. Of means multiply total matches x. 40% of x is equal to 10. 22s are 25s are 2 by 5 into x is equal to 10. So how to get the x? Whatever number here it is in multiplication, that will go there and turn into division. 10 divided by this number has to go there, or you can simply think it as 5 will go up, 2 will go down. Similarly, this way also, because it is division sign, I will change it into multiply. Then it will become 10 into 5 by 2. Answer 5 5 the 25. What is 25? They are the total matches played. Total matches played. Have you understood this question also? Right? Now, if Chameli had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of her money, how much did she had in the beginning? So this is the just similar kind of question. Let in the beginning she had money equal to X rupees. Money spent 75% and she is left with 600 rupees. Mana, if after spending 75% she has saved this much money, so percentage saving will be what? Out of 100, if she has spent 75%, so out of 100 she has spent 75 rupees, so she has saved 25%. 25% of X is equal to 600. We will get the value of X. Let us do simultaneously. I am doing on the board, but you also try yourself. Be honest. Let us do this question. Question number 5. I am not speaking. I am expecting you are also doing. See, I cannot be silent. So let us check how much you have done. It was given after spending 75% of the money, she is left with 600 rupees. So let the total money she had originally X rupees. She has spent 75%. So she has saved 100 minus 75, that is 25%. 25% of money, this is the saving, and she is left with 600 rupees, means this is also saving. So we are equating the two. 25% of total, 25% means out of 100, X is 600. 25, 4 is the 100. So X by 4 is equal to 600. So this 4 will go up. What will be the answer? Answer will be X is equal to 600 into 4. So what will be the answer? 6 4s are 2400. So she had originally, before spending, she had original money equal to rupees 2400. That is the answer. I hope you are understanding these questions also. Now, question number 6 is, if 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football, and remaining like other games. So, question number 6. This is the last question of the exercise. Question number 6. Percentage of people like cricket. Percentage of cricket lover, 60%, and football, is given to be 30%. and remaining like other games. The percentage of other games lovers. So how to calculate? I think up to now you are comfortable. Total percentage is always 100. 60% like cricket, and they are all separate. It is to be mentioned कि those who are liking cricket, they are not the one who like football also. So 60% like cricket, 30% like football. How many is the percentage of these two who like cricket as well as football? They are 90%. I have to find how many are the other game lovers. They will be 100 minus 90%. So that will be 10%. Have you understood this thing? Now, what is there? If total number of people are 50 lakh, find the exact number who like each type of game. Means separately we have to find how many people like cricket, how many people like football, how many people like other games. Total population, total number of people are 50 lakhs. Total people, $50 lakhs. So now we have to find number of cricket lovers. How many people like cricket? So how to find 60% of total? 60% of total. Let us put the value. 60% का साइन हटाना है तो अपॉन में 100 of 50 lakh. This 0 cancel here, this 0 cancel here. I could write in the number also. After 50, I could write that way also, or because simply here cancellation is possible, so I have done this way. So answer is 6 5 the 30 lakh. So this is the first answer. Similarly, you have to find the number of football lovers and other game lovers. I hope you will be able to do. Here it will be 30 upon 100 into 50, and for other games it will be 10 into 100 upon 50 lakhs. So whatever answer will be, that will be in lakhs. So complete this and try doing other questions also. Keep on doing practice questions also. Have a good time. Complete your work. Be nice. Be regular. Stay safe. Thank you.